What's going on, you guys? It's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, probably like a month, maybe 2 months. But today's video, it was supposed to be my birthday gift that I bought for myself probably like 2-3 weeks ago, and I was supposed to have the part installed, but like some stuff happened. But today we're just gonna be installing the Adro diffuser. If you guys don't know, I already got the Adro wing. I wanted to add more Adro parts to the car, and I'm actually trying to get my car washed. I'm in line for these like touchless car washes, and then we're gonna be pulling up to Detail Union right after this, so hopefully it should be pretty quick install. We were gonna do it at the house, but I was just scared of like the little parking sensors because I didn't want to mess them up. I just wanted to be safe. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys stay tuned all the way to the end, I have a surprise for you guys. Got here. If you guys aren't familiar what a diffuser is, I'm going to be replacing this. But I really want to know because like I parked my car outside and I don't know how I got this scratch. Even like it's on my car. Like what the hell? But this is going to be changed. Let's go see what cars are inside. Joel's S15. This thing is sick. I think this is like color changing in the sun. It's 2025. Oh, I know Bricks would like this car. Bricks would love this one. Oh, and it's a T-top too. Interior looks pretty good too. But how old it is? This color, I don't know how good the camera picks it up on, but it looks so good, this color. And I think it's like carbon ceramic brakes too. Sit passenger though, like
yeah, you can sit with me. You can come with me if you want. I just want to make sure everything's Gucci.
Dude, that thing is sick.
Not gonna crack your split or anything. Just make sure. Yeah, these things come good when you like them handy a lot. Yeah, how'd you get the scratches right here?
Dude, I don't know. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know how I got all these scratches.
That's some weird ass scratches.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, that's for like the toe hook, I think.
Cool. I was making sure. I feel like I'm like stealing this thing. Rodriguez, can you hold the right side? Ready? Coming on. And the parking sensors, just unplug them. They're right there.
Yes.
Got it? Just like unquip it from the tab. Yeah, they have that shit really on there.
Yeah.
I think it's just like, I don't know, like,
Let's plug in the sensors first.
Hold it and plug in yours first.
Okay, cool. Just try not to pull it out. Like, have the top straight already. Okay, there you go. And then hold it when you think. Let me see. Oh, you don't have to hold it back, but I'm so scared. Alright, go ahead. I'm already on. Just hold the parking sensors while you're at it too. I'm sure you don't like. Yeah, just have it sit on top right here.
You want me to hold it?
You should be fine. Okay. I'm already holding it for him.
Just need a better angle.
Yeah.
Go away. Hold on. I see what's wrong. Yeah, just has to go over this. Go ahead. Push it? Yeah, push it.
Yeah, no play. Oh my god.
How's it?
Alright, okay.
And then push it this side. Flush, dude. No, it's already lining up with the hose back here.
You're hitting the motor.
Well, your gloves barely fit.
Actually, fits it nice.
Yeah, these are 5 inch too.
It's not touching though, right?
Perfect, yeah.
That's cool.
It's just that sensor.
Oh yeah, we'll put you back right now.
Magnet.
The magnet tray right here on top of the table. Or I was gonna bring it with us. If not, it's on top of my toolbox. There you go, sir.
Thank you. This is where we will end today's video. I just want to say thank you, huge thank you to Joel and everyone at Detail Union for taking care of my car. The rear end looks so much more aggressive now. I love like the carbon fiber. The fitment is actually really good. I'm actually like really happy. I'm gonna go take some photos. I already took some photos at Detail Union, but I'm gonna eat some tacos while we enjoy the sunset before traffic. Let's see. Look at the setup. Look at the setup. Oh. But yes, if you guys stayed this far in the video, I do have a surprise for you. It'll be a little snippet of what happened. I already recorded it. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. And stay tuned for the next exciting video. Peace.
No fucking way! Yo! Are you for real? Dude! What's up, man? Dude, okay, I saw it pass by and I was like, no way, no way.
I'm driving home right now, but look how beautiful the sunset is. Oh my goodness.